This is Cat S53, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can set up parental controls for this device. So to start, you will need to remove all Google accounts if you have any. So you can check it by going into settings, then accounts, and in here, as I was saying, remove all Google accounts that are displayed right over here. Then get back to the main settings page, enter Google category. Over here, tap at the parental controls, get started, child or teen, next. Next step you gotta do is to log into your child's Google account or create one if needed. Once the child's Google account was successfully signed into, you gotta select it from the list over here. Then log into another Google account, this time belonging to you as a parent, or to put it in other words, to the sign into Google account that you will use to supervise your child's activity. In here at the About Supervision page, you will need to enter the child's Google account password one more time. Then tap at the Agree button to your bottom left. At the following dialog window, choose the Allow option and wait for the child and parent accounts to get linked. After that, hit the Next button. The Manage Child's Apps tab you can skip. It will not affect the setup in any way. The same applies for filters and settings. You can skip it. You can, configure it if you please, but there is no need to do that right now, so, well, just skip it. The following Manage Parental Controls page will provide you with an opportunity to automatically download and install the Google Family Link app on your parental phone, but only if the device that is highlighted over here in a bold font is the same device you will use to supervise your child. In my case, that is not true, so I'll skip this step and get the app manually. So at the child's end, everything was more or less set. Now take whatever device you were supposed to supervise your child from and download the Family Link app from the Google Play Store. Once the app is ready, you can go ahead and launch it. In here, make sure to sign into the app with the parental Google account that we have earlier used during the child's end of setup. So in here, I gotta, add to this account first. So let me quickly sign into parental account. And in the app, you have a lot of useful available controls, such as setting up the daily usage limits or downtime routine for a child's device, as well as manage the child's app experience, which includes enabling and disabling apps, monitoring the app activity in general, applying the time restrictions for the app usage. For instance, you can make it that your child will not be able to use Instagram, Snapchat, or TikTok app more than hour per day or daily. Then you can apply and install content restrictions and age filters, configure your child's account settings, manage devices if you have multiple devices to look after, monitor your child's live location, and see the child's device usage highlights. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.